That's it. What's happening? So I've got a little bit of an update to show you guys. I've just got a new motor in for my losi 5B. The losi was actually the first fifth scale that I ever got. So it was my first. And over the years I've done quite a few things to it. It's got lots of upgrades. This will be now the third motor that I've had in it. So the first motor I got was just a G320, and shortly after that I bought myself a 34 piston port OBR full mod, and I ran that for, I don't know, about 2 or 3 years, I guess. And then I just recently sold that motor to a friend of mine, Lim. So Lim's got the 34 piston port in his Baja rips. So yeah, let's just have a look at my new motor, and we'll just have a quick look at the losi. We'll go from there. And straight off the bat, look at that. Sean and Dan have sent me bunch of stickers, so I'm guessing this is the sticker sheet that you can buy off their website. Okay, Neil Brothers. So this is a decal sheet that they have as a stock item. So a bunch of decals, pretty cool, loving that. And let's see what else is in the box. A Delrin carby stack. I've actually got one of these on my I've got one of them on my Baja. It's a pretty good upgrade. Works quite well, and it's freaking tough, eh? And I like the fact that it's pretty light. Happy days. So we've got some insulator, some carby bolts, some gaskets, and we've got the new carby, the 1242. So that's going to go on there. That's pretty cool. And it's got one of those UV resistant plunger bulbs, which is nice. Happy days. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. The box out the way. So that is a signature series. Beautiful. Let's get it out the pack. You can see that good port matching on the exhaust port. I did ask them to send it through without a clutch, because I'm going to use the losi setup. Nice, and it's got a little wrap. Cool. So I'm pretty stoked with this. Dan had said that he had done some extra special porting and tweaking on this one, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what it's gonna do for my losi. Like I said, this is the first fifth scale that I ever bought. It was also the first fifth scale painting that I'd ever done. So yeah, and I've really cut quite a bit of it out. So I've got my Olimat pipe, so it's a bleed end pipe. I've had it ceramic coated. That is the original losi air filter. I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be upgrading or changing, I guess. So here is, I've got a Vertigo clutch bell, and I've got a bunch of different gears. So I'm going to be running a 21 there and a 58 there. So I'm going to be running 21, 58. I've got a Vertigo clutch housing, my Vertigo brace, some hardware, and yeah. So please stay tuned. I've got actually, hold on, a new untouched graphel body. So I'm going to be painting it up. I'm not sure exactly what colors I'm going to be doing with it, but it's going to get a fresh lick of paint. And yeah, so stay tuned. I don't think it's all going to happen all at once. So yeah, thanks all for watching, and we'll catch you really soon. And enjoy. Cheers.